Okay, well, I think we've got time for another meter, another subject. So, Tiffany Balustrade, and which of the other meters should we do? Asclepiads? Okay, yeah, why not? So, what should we say about the Tiffany Balustrade? Yeah, tinkles, yeah, fine. And it's in a rich person's house, of course. Beautiful, naturally. Anything else we want to say? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so no high, no. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yes, yeah. So okay, right. So let's remind ourselves what we're doing. My K nas ata vis zero edita regibus. So the thought I'd already had was perhaps num K lara potes. Surely you're surely not able to hide. I mean, addressing the person going up the stair, or whether thief or resident, whatever. So num, surely not. K lara potes. Will that do as a? Yeah, I mean, it'll leave us some awkward gaps, but so we're sure. So epi, sure. So we're sure this is a long E, are we? Epimade. Well, epimadium. That's rather convenient, isn't it? So yeah, we'd better use it, hadn't we? So it is an unusual word, yes. Epimadium. Well, I mean, namquet will do perfectly well. And actually, in terms of gap-filling technique, do notice that if we wanted to use nam or yam, they're going to elide before that, aren't they? But simplest thing in the world, just namquet, which is just as common a word as nam, and that solves that problem instantly. So yeah, namquet epimadium. Oh, there's a reason for the nam too, isn't there? Because we're explaining what we just said. So yeah, I think that'll do, won't it? Surely you can't hide namquet epimadium. Right, well, fine. Another line, 5 minutes lunch. We're in good time so far, as long as we don't get a delay at the last minute on there. I'm in elegiac mood at the moment, because tinnitus aures sonat would make the end of an elegiac couplet, wouldn't it? Unfortunately, we're not writing elegiacs right now, but rats, as they say, and peanuts, but how about that? Divitib auribus tinnat. Now, notice, of course, the auribus is quite important there, because we need a vowel after tintinat if we're going to keep that short. And equally, we need a consonant there if we're going to use divitibus and make it long. How about that? Divitibus. And that gets in the fact that this is a wealthy household, doesn't it? So for rich ears, the balustrade tinkles. Filler for the beginning. What else can we say? Well, we can have an adjective with the epimadium, I suppose, can't it? Better. I mean, one adjective per noun is a normal ration, actually. More than one adjective per noun, unless you connect them by et, is a rather un-Latin. And, I mean, nouns do like adjectives, actually, so of course you can use nouns without an adjective accompanying it, but it is totally normal to stick an adjective with most nouns, really. So I think an adjective with epimadium. Lautum, yeah, lautum. We're quite familiar with the oikos lautus at Kentucky. Yeah. Lautum divitibus. Yeah, I quite like that. Okay, so that's two lines of limping iambics and 2 lines of the first Asclepiadic, neatly on 1 o'clock, which is precisely the scheduled lunchtime. Num celare potes, namque epimadium, lautum divitibus, tintinet auribus. I think that's quite neat, really. And many thanks for the suggestions. And it's quite fun, actually, to get unusual words in when it's really appropriate. What is not so good is forcing unusual words into ordinary lines purely for metrical reasons, or because you found a deeply weird word which just happens to fit in the awkward gap you left yourself. But this, far from that case. I mean, here the rare word is precisely what we want. So thank you very much for that.